Hi, welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to our home. Let's go outside. See what's happening out here. I know one thing that's happening. Got my grill going on. That's what I got. See you guys right there. This is just some tenders that I threw on the grill a while ago. I went ahead and put a whole package on there because I can use them for numerous things throughout the week for our dinners or for Tom's lunch. I just love the smell of grilling. I've always said I think I could get full on the smell of grilling. Does that make sense? Those pretty grill marks. Now after I get finished, sorry about that, hair on my eye. After I get finished, I'm going to take it obviously off the grill, and then we're going to, look there. There's my Thomas, working on his garden. But when this gets finished, then we'll take it off the grill, of course, and we'll figure out what we're going to have along with it this afternoon. Okay, this evening for our supper. So let me get this finished and then I'll be back with you all. Now I'm not putting any spices on this, no seasonings or anything. Like I said, I'm going to leave that open for when I use it in our meals. Be back soon. Doesn't that look delicious? Well, I can tell you we've already snuck a small piece. Sarah had a little piece as well, and tastes really good. Now, what I am going to do, this is what my plan is. Right now, I'm heating up some cauliflower rice with a vegetable medley and stir fry peas. It's a stir fry. I'll show you in just a second. But I'm going to use this orange ginger marinade, a little bit of powdered ginger, and some cilantro. But I'm gonna slice up some of this chicken that's hot off the grill, very hot off the grill. Woo. Now you can add whatever veggies you like to this. We're doing like a little Asian vibe this evening. Okay. Sugar snap pea stir fry. That's what it is. That's what we're putting in here. Along with the cauliflower rice, which I've got heating in the microwave. But I'm going to put all this in the skillet is what I'm going to do. So, along with some of this chicken. Yeah. Get you guys sitting right here so you can see what I'm doing. I like to heat everything up a little bit first in the microwave. The thing I like about this too is the stuff that we don't care too much about that gets a little too smushy. It's big enough chunks, I can pull some of that out of there. Okay? I mean, we like summer squash, don't misunderstand, but we don't like it squishy, and sometimes it can get a little squishy in here. So, okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put some of this chicken in there, but I'm also going to see these big chunks like this. We don't need those big chunks. I'm gonna cut those up. We just need bite-sized pieces. Oh my goodness, my little Brinkley would love to have some of this. Bless his little heart. He loved his vegetables, y'all. You didn't have to worry about whether he ate his or not, because he did. And he taught his sister to eat vegetables too. We miss our little fella. There we go. There we go. Just bite-sized pieces. That's what we want. I'm going to go ahead and cut up probably, I'm thinking 2 more of these. Depends on the size here. 2 or 3 more of these chicken tenders. And put in there. And then we're going to start adding the seasoning. Now the leftovers from this, we can either have it tomorrow, or maybe Tom can take it to work for lunch. I'm not sure if they have their microwave set up again or not. We got him one of those. It's really neat. It's a lunchbox that you can heat your food up in, and the cord didn't last too long on it, so I got it off of Amazon, so I'm hoping I can find another one for just the cord itself. You know, not the whole thing, of course, just the cord. Now, because I don't know what all is in this orange ginger marinade, I do have to strain it. And I'm actually going to put about a 1/4 cup of this in there for right now. See, there's things in there that I really don't know what it is, so I'm just going to go ahead and put all that in there, y'all. Just go and put all the rest of it in there. I'd rather be safe myself. I might put a little bit of brown swerve in here too. You guessed it. This is keto friendly. This is low carb. This is sugar free. It's all them things that are good for you. That's what it is. All them things that are good for you. Okay. I'll put some cilantro. Speaking of cilantro, that's one of the things that we have in our herb garden that Tom was watering. So I get to, and this is our ginger. I'm going to put some garlic powder in there too, y'all. But that's one of the things we'll get to work with is that using fresh cilantro with stuff. I think I'm probably going to dehydrate some of it. Alright. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to put honey in it instead of I know, that just knocked it out of keto, but not really. I'm not going to put that much in there. So, good. Alright. If I eat the cauliflower rice, it's the cauliflower medley by Green Giant. That is the one that I like to use right there. I got that cilantro everywhere, didn't I? It's alright. I was just trying to get it off my hands. I did too, didn't I? Alright. Well, let me clean up my mess just a little bit here. Y'all know I can't tolerate that. After I let this cook on down, then I'm going to put a little bit of that honey on it, I'm pretty sure. Alright. Let's get us a spatula out. Get this mixed in together. Look at that, isn't it pretty? Look at all them colors. My, my. Yummy, yum. Oh, I know it's going to taste so good. It smells delicious. I'm just going to put just a little bit of this honey in there. Might have said that already, but because it smells sweet already from that orange ginger marmalade. Or, orange ginger marinade. Sorry about that. I'm a hot mess. I'm hot for sure. We've been outside working, grilling, and alright, let's just do a tablespoon of this honey. And that, my friends, should be plenty. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Wonder who that's for. Sure does smell good. I'll have to get him come over here and tell me how much he wants. You probably want to come tell me how much of this you want. Because you got a big bowl out, and you know me, I like to fill them to the rim. That's good?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. What are we going to do with the rest of it?
I'll probably have seconds.
Okay. Sounds good. I want those. Just a little bit more on there. Alright, y'all. Yeah, let's see if I can get the mister to come over here and take a bite. He brought 2 forks.
One for each hand.
One for me. All right. Sorry. I was going to snag a bite of the chicken.
Yep.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Does it need any soy sauce or anything like that in it? No? Ah. Well, there you go.
Thank you, baby.
Tell it bye.
Yeah, it's going to be gone here in just a minute.
All right. Yummy. That's so good. So good. Well, that's it. It's supper. Y'all take care. I never can do that bite thing. Just hurry up and swallow it down. I don't like talking with food in my mouth, so. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. Click that notification bell and click that subscribe button. That way you'll know each time we put new content on. We got a lot of stuff coming, y'all, so stick around. Hit that thumbs up. Share this stuff. Share it. Share it with the world. No. Share it, please. I appreciate it. Bye, y'all.